Hey, we are Chris and Teresa and are obsessed with all things fiber and guiding you on your fiber arts journey. We own a successful fiber processing mill, an online needle felting business, experienced at raising all fiber animals, and are renovating a 100-year-old school into a fiber arts retreat center.
Processing, needle felting, yarn, roving, fiber animals, and our renovating progress are all topics discussed here. Think of this as your one-stop shop for advice, information, tips, and getting your questions answered on all things fiber, from raising the animals to the finished product and everything in between. So pull up a seat, make sure you're cozy, and get ready to be inspired while you learn. This is EweTube.
Hello, we are back behind our sealed and dried cement bar top, and we love it.
Mm-hmm.
It's
turned out perfect.
Yeah, it turned out perfect. It looks like concrete. Mm-hmm. We didn't try to mask it to look like marble or granite or anything. It looks just like we wanted it. We love it.
I'm just listening to the siren behind us. Why is it so loud?
I don't think it's that loud. Do you think it's that loud?
Okay,
I think
we'll
it's behind us. I think it's all right.
Okay.
You know, we haven't done an unedited one for a while.
It's true.
This is an unedited one. Okay, here we go.
Hopefully this overpowering refrigerators are not
Because we have
too loud.
two of them back here now, because we do. Yes. Mm-hmm. And we thank everyone for the comments. So many people are praying for us, and we have some tough decisions ahead of us here now in regards to our budget and how far we're going to be able to take phase 2.
Yeah, how far our money will take us.
Yep, and we are praying for guidance, and we are confident we will be led to where we are to be. Mm-hmm. So thank everyone for that. And now the bathroom is looking amazing. The sink has been installed, and it looks amazing.
Yeah, we're very proud of the bathroom.
Pictures are coming up now. I mean, it's so pathetic. As soon as someone comes in, you gotta come to the bathroom. We drag them into the bathroom, but then we end up standing in there for 10 minutes while they're showing us this person lived in this house and this person lived in that house, and just all the memories that it is.
Yeah, it's fun to just stand there and listen to them. So
yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's just weird that it's the bathroom.
So, well, it is what it is. Yep.
Anyway, it all came together just perfect in there, so we're really proud of it.
Yeah.
Pretty. Yeah. We're waiting for water, which hopefully we'll have tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Be nice to try out that new faucet, which is so cute.
And the toilet, because we've been using a porta potty.
Yeah. To be able to flush and wash would be absolutely wonderful. Yeah.
Hopefully that happens tomorrow. It looks to us like it's all hooked up.
Yeah.
And ready to go.
Turn it on. Let's go. Yeah. But anyway.
And last weekend I moved in. All of my whole business is out of my basement, so.
And you are here daily.
I am. I'm here.
All the shipping is, all the packing, all the kit building, everything is happening up in the mezzanine, the loft. Yeah, right above us.
It doesn't have a railing going around it yet, but
that's a little sketchy. But
it'll have that.
It's this weekend. Yeah, they're gonna start working again on it this weekend, so maybe I'll get it done.
Yeah, so that was probably the highlight of this week. I've been asked by my family, "What are you doing with the basement?" But I haven't had time to go down there.
Because you haven't had to.
I know. And every night I used to do the packaging for mailing out in the next morning, every evening. And it's kind of fun to know I don't have to go down there and do that.
No.
It's already done.
Yeah.
Or it's going to be done the next morning here. So that's been kind of fun.
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And we just finished a skirting tutorial, I guess is what.
A skirting
table tutorial. Yeah, a video on how to build a skirting table. There's so many different examples and whatnot out on Pinterest and YouTube, and what we use in the mill and have for 11 years now is still the exact same skirting table and dry racks that I built 11 years ago. So we did a little video on how we made ours out of PVC and landscape. What would you call that? Landscape fencing or landscape?
Yeah, I don't even know.
Yeah,
It has a picture of a rabbit on it.
it does. Yeah, to keep little critters out of your garden. It's just plastic 1/2-inch grid is what it is. Yeah, but it works great. Absolutely perfect as landscape.
Yeah. So you'll have to look
Mm-hmm.
at our other videos that we're putting out on YouTube.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. Mm-hmm.
Check that out if you're interested.
Yes, and we are not having our grand opening on the 4th of July weekend. But
Since we don't have water yet.
Since we
and
don't
we're
have water
just
yet.
nervous about that.
Yeah, so we pushed it off till the 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th. So that is in stone now. So that will be the grand opening weekend.
And we should have water.
We should have water. We should have a washed floor. Yes, and you should be able to flush. So it's all good.
Yeah. We should be ready.
Yeah, so we'll
As ready as
we'll
we
share with
can
you
be.
plans as we go. We are going to be doing a raffle, and you are working on,
A Raffle Bunny.
yes,
It's going to be extra special. So you
super
just
extra
stay tuned.
special. Yes, absolutely.
Hear more about
So,
it. Right now it has a head, a body, and 1 leg.
Yay! It's going to be super cool. I can hardly wait. So the raffle it'll be a t-shirt, and then it'll be a gift bag of all sorts of Nome stuff, and a bunch of gift certificates, and all sorts of wonderful things. And then this
Bunny.
limited edition, one-of-a-kind bunny.
It's going to be special.
So that'd be kind of cool. So those will be available as soon as we get them made. They'll be available all till the end of July. We'll draw the end of July for those. So.
And you don't need to be present to win, so you can, wherever you are,
Buy one
buy
and
raffle
we'll
tickets.
ship it out for you if you're the winner. Yeah. Yep. And then this sign behind us is super special. The USATIS family. It's on loan from them, and it is the original depot sign that hung on the Nome
Train depot.
Depot. And there it is. And I mean, it's an amazing shape, absolutely amazing shape. It looks like we could have made it.
Yeah.
No, but it's the original one. Can you share the picture?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll be sharing the picture
Probably
of
coming
the
up right
train
now.
depot.
Yep.
You'll see it hanging on there. So we continue to get wonderful little gifts.
Yes.
And it's been really fun.
Yep. Very, very neat.
So yeah, if you watched the previous episodes, we've gotten a picture that used to hang in the school now. Came back to North Dakota.
Yep. We've got that
And-
hanging on the wall now too. So.
And the Statue of Liberty, we got the last YouTube, we shared that. So
Yeah.
a lot of things are coming back.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool, pretty cool. This time last year, we got in the mail, it was so cool, the abstract of the school, because we purchased it and then it had to go to recording and all of that, and then this time last year, we received our abstract.
Yeah, when we look back at my phone pictures, there's pictures of the abstract, which was a pretty fun day
Yeah, it was.
for us to own a school.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty neat, pretty neat.
Even if it was falling apart.
Yeah, at that point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and the questions we had a question on landscaping, and if we're going to be able to do landscaping, and yes, we are. We've been working on that now, as far as we pretty much have all the trees removed on the west side of the gym that we want removed.
The ones that we want.
And now it just needs to be cleaned up, and we need to bring in some dirt because there's some low spots, and put in some landscape timbers or whatever we're going to use. We don't have that figured out yet. And then we can plant our perennials or bushes or whatever. So yes. And then she also went on to say, wouldn't it be fun to do a primitive camping weekend and have folks come and camp and just make a weekend of it? And
That would be fun.
yeah, and clean. So think on
Yeah,
that
she
one.
said for all the YouTubers
Yes,
that are following
yes.
us. So that would be really fun for us to meet everybody. And
Yeah.
we don't have
showers, so
We don't have showers or electrical hookups, but it would be
No.
fun to have people come
yeah.
and show up.
We do have the land. We have the
We have space.
we have space.
Mhm.
Yes. Absolutely.
That sounded like a lot of fun to us. So.
Yes. Yes, it did. Yep.
So yeah,
All
if we
right.
decide to do that, we'll surely let you know
Yes.
when that would be.
Yep.
And we will also, we're gonna have like open hours after the grand opening, like days we're open. And then we'll also have by appointment. So
Yes.
if you're traveling through the state of North Dakota and want to stop and see our school, you can contact us and let us know.
Message us, call us, text us.
And we'll try and make something work so you can come and see the school.
Yep.
Yeah.
That will be wonderful. Yeah.
And then somebody had asked what we decided to name the boiler, if we had officially named the boiler.
Da-da-da-da. And it is?
Clink.
It's Clink.
I don't know, that one is the one that struck us the most, I guess.
Yeah,
out of
it just
all
resonated.
all the suggestions. There was a clinker door on the bottom.
Yeah.
Clink just sounds like a cute name for a boiler. So thanks for, on Facebook we posted and asked, what should we name our boiler? And
Oh man, we had so many responses, so many good ideas. It's amazing. It was really hard.
It was hard. But yeah, Clink is what we just kept calling him. So
Clink it is.
Clink it is.
Yes. Yeah.
And then every YouTube we draw a prize. So, and we draw from those that have commented below the video.
We do that ahead of time now.
Yes.
Yeah.
We used to prolong it. It was boring.
And this time, Pamela, you are the winner.
Yes, congratulations. So you just need to contact us through nomeschoolhouse.com or bearcreekfelting.com. Give us your shirt size and your address and which YouTube, which is 46 that you won on, and we will send it out to you.
Yes.
Yes. And
That's about it.
yeah, we appreciate you watching. If you
Yes,
could
thank
like
you.
this video and subscribe to our channel, that would be awesome. And we also did a thing with Amazon Smiles,
Yes.
where
Oh,
you
yes.
can, if you shop on Amazon through Amazon Smiles, Amazon will donate to your favorite charity. And since Nome Schoolhouse is a
501c3
nonprofit, you can choose the Nome Schoolhouse, and as long as you're shopping through the Amazon Smiles, they will donate, what was it, 5% of your purchases, the eligible purchases, will go to the Nome Schoolhouse. And if you go through the Amazon Smiles, it looks exactly like Amazon.
Right,
It's
and they
just
have all the
exactly
same products. Yep.
So as long as you go through there and you've chosen the Nome Schoolhouse, you will help us to hopefully get through phase 2.
Yes.
That would be awesome, and we'd greatly appreciate it.
Yes, we would. Yes, good thing you remember that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So, thanks for watching, and we will see you again next week.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.